Watch how fleeing on a moped turned into a felony.
With these mopeds fled from us. We don't play these games in the state of Florida. If the cops go to pull you over, you stop. We just turned this from what would have been a simple warning and you guys going on about your night and having a great time here to now you being arrested on a felony offense.
On May 15th, 2025, Sarasota Police say a group of teens rode mopeds the wrong way. When officers tried to stop them, they fled.
Do you guys have some IDs on you?
Yep.
I'm gonna have the other officer that was involved come up and talk to you guys. I wasn't there.
Okay.
So.
Jeez.
There's a lot of cops.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
He's good. I'm just
Oregon.
gonna give it to
Yeah.
either, I'm just gonna give it to Jones and see what he wants to do. There you go. I got you.
You gave yours to him too.
I got. Yeah.
We're from Oregon.
You got these guys ID or no?
Yeah, Brent's got it. We're from in Oregon?
Yeah.
Well, we're from?
Portland?
Portland. Okay, I got you. Never been.
Yeah.
What's going on, y'all? Where y'all coming from?
Oregon?
Oregon?
Yeah.
Cool. Y'all driving downtown?
Yeah.
Perfect.
We're going to detain everybody. Put your hands back.
All right.
All right. Okay. These cuffs can't come off just as easily as they go on, so no one's under any arrest yet or anything like that. So just
Do any of you guys have any weapons on you?
No weapons.
Anything that we should be worried about?
I'm Officer Jones with Sarasota Police Department, okay? So the reason that we're out with you right now is we just attempted a traffic stop down on Main Street, okay, with these mopeds. These mopeds fled from us, okay? So that's why...
These ones?
These ones did. So that's why we're trying to figure everything out. But before I talk to you, I'm just going to read you your rights so you fully understand everything, okay? Stand up for me. I'm going to sit in my car here, okay? That way you're not out in the heat. I'm going to get you some air conditioning. Anything on you that's going to stick, prick, or poke me?
No, just my phone.
This is
Oh,
just
that's
your phone.
glasses. That's
Glasses? Okay,
yeah.
I want to make sure I don't crush those and then just your phone. Okay. Go ahead and have a seat.
No,
Yeah,
just-
I'll get you a light.
Oh.
There you go. Yeah, if you want to sit sideways, because I know I'm a tall guy, sitting straight is not going to be comfortable. If you wanted to sit sideways, like kick your legs out towards that side, that's totally fine. Here, let me pull those seatbelts down so you can... There you go. All right, perfect. Awesome. All right, hang tight for me.
Is that my rights?
So, yeah, you have the right to have an attorney with you before and during questioning.
Yeah, could I have that?
Okay.
I also have a question.
Well, it depends on what the question is. Go ahead.
The mopeds, that's the only question.
Uh,
So, they're rentals,
Okay. Yeah, they're getting impounded.
and so what will we do with them later? Like,
We tow them to the lot.
to the tow lot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Who are they rented? Well, I can't ask you certain questions because you want to have an attorney present, which is fine. So they're gonna get impounded. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Just for the rental company, like, are they?
That'll be up to you guys once you get out of jail to notify them of that. Okay. Hang tight for just. Hey, Jacob. So I just want to confirm the 4 of you guys that were here were all riding the mopeds, right?
Yeah.
And you were number 3 in line?
Yeah.
Okay, where was Mark at?
I don't know.
Okay, but Mark was riding the mopeds with you guys?
He was doing it.
Okay, all right, so he was part of that group that fled?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, man. I appreciate your honesty. So you're being arrested for fleeing to elude law enforcement, okay? That's a felony offense in the state of Florida. Florida does not play around. If you decide if you're getting pulled over, you have to stop.
Okay.
And like I said, we just turned this from what would have been a simple warning and you guys going on about your night and having a great time here to now you being arrested on a felony offense and getting booked into Sarasota County Jail, okay?
Yeah.
All right. All right, you're being placed under arrest for fleeing to elude law enforcement, okay? We don't play these games in the state of Florida. If the cops go to pull you over, you stop. And as I explained to your friend already, what would have happened is I would have gotten out and said, hey guys, knock that off, it's a little reckless. There's a lot of pedestrians down there, and you would have been on your way. But now you're, yeah, it's a pretty silly thing. Okay?
You're gonna need keys if you want to ride these mopeds. You're gonna need a key if you want to ride this moped.
I ain't riding shit.
I know. There you go, number 72. Or this is 72.
Do we have those?
Do the other ones have?
This one, 72. So here's a key for this one. I'll find out who was maybe on this one. This one is 57.
Were you
Hey.
just coming down east?
No, we're headed up.
I'm on 301 and so I'm heading across 7.
Oh, okay.
Hey, we don't have a key for number 57, which is the third one. 1, 2, 3.
You know what? The guy I first put in my car, because I didn't know if we were 1015 at that time or not, didn't get searched. He might have one in his pocket.
Okay.
He's going to be on my driver's side.
Your driver's side. Which car is yours again?
It's the other one with the lights on.
All right. Hey. I think he put you back here first, so I'm gonna need you to step out real quick. Sorry, it's like a Rubik's Cube back here, man. But here, I'll help you out.
Yeah, this is gonna be tough.
Yeah.
I have pretty long legs. Actually,
Yeah.
I think I got it.
Y'all are tall, so it's like, what the hell? All right.
I got the Russian genetics, I guess.
All right, here, come on over here. All right, please. All right, I don't think he went through your pocket,
No, I
so.
just saw my phone glasses.
Okay, and I think you might have the key to,
Oh, it should be in my left pocket.
okay, I got you. All right, so hang on one second.
Actually, no, it's still in the moped.
It's still on the moped?
Yeah.
Were you on, do you know which number moped you were on?
73.
73? Okay, that might be on the moped. All right, here, you can have a seat back in there. All right. No, it's not on him. It's going to be on maybe one of the other guys, so. All right.
This is Maxim's property.
Maxim.
Maxim, you had a wallet and a phone?
All right. We'll be right back. I'll leave the car running for you.
Oh, that's what you meant.
I just keep it on.
I've made many of videos of just me playing with myself.
Yeah, doing quick draw practice.
Hey, yo.
in jail, right? Oops, pardon me.
We good? We scared?
I think so. Very large Russian men.
All 4 were arrested and charged with fleeing to elude law enforcement with disregard for safety. Did they really think mopeds could outrun police? All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.